Carbohydrates are like the petrol that powers our bodies, giving us the energy to move, think, and do all the things we love. They are essential for our daily activities, whether it's a morning jog, a busy day at work, or a fun evening with friends. They're found in lots of different foods, from fruits and veggies to bread and pasta. These foods are not just delicious but also packed with the nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. Think of them as your body's go-to energy source. When we consume these foods, our bodies break them down into glucose, which fuels our muscles and brain. Just like any fuel, not all carbs are created equal. It's important to choose the right types of carbohydrates to keep our energy levels stable and our bodies healthy. Some carbs, like those found in sugary drinks, give us a quick burst of energy but then leave us feeling sluggish. These are often referred to as simple carbohydrates. Others, like those in whole grain bread, provide long-lasting energy that keeps us going throughout the day. These are known as complex carbohydrates and are generally found in whole, unprocessed foods. Knowing the difference between good and bad carbs is super important for staying healthy and feeling our best. By making informed choices, we can ensure that our bodies get the right kind of fuel to perform at their peak, day in and day out. Carbs come in two main types, simple and complex. Simple carbs, like white sugar and white bread, are made up of short chains of sugar molecules. They're digested quickly, giving us a rapid energy boost. Complex carbs, on the other hand, are like long chains of sugar molecules. These are found in foods like brown rice, quinoa, and lentils. They take longer to digest, providing a slow and steady release of energy. Think of simple carbs as the fireworks of the carb world, exciting but fleeting. Complex carbs are more like a campfire, providing warmth and energy that lasts. Good carbs are like the superheroes of the food world, providing our bodies with the energy they need to thrive. These carbs are packed with nutrients and fiber, which helps us feel fuller for longer and keeps our digestive system happy. Some examples of good carbs include whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, whole wheat bread, fruits, berries, apples, bananas, oranges, vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots, sweet potatoes, legumes, lentils, beans, chickpeas. These good carbs are like the building blocks for a healthy body, providing us with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help us stay strong and well. Section 4. Bad carbs, bad news, the downside of sugary treats. We all love indulging in sugary treats from time to time, but it's important to understand the impact they can have on our health. Bad carbs, on the other hand, are like those sneaky villains that can wreak havoc on our health. They might taste good, but they come with a hidden cost. These carbs are often found in processed foods and sugary drinks, and they're loaded with empty calories that provide little nutritional value. When we consume these foods, our bodies get a quick spike in energy, but it doesn't last long. Examples of bad carbs include sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and sports drinks. These beverages are often marketed as healthy or refreshing, but they can be packed with sugar. Processed snacks such as cookies, which are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. They might be convenient, but they're far from nutritious. Cakes and pastries. These sweet treats are often enjoyed during celebrations, but regular consumption can lead to serious health issues. White bread and pasta, which have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber. These refined grains can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, and candy and sweets, which are full of sugar and empty calories. These are often the go-to snacks for a quick energy boost, but they can lead to energy crashes. Eating too many bad carbs can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. It's crucial to be mindful of our carb intake to maintain a healthy lifestyle. They're like the party poopers of the food world, leaving us feeling sluggish, cranky, and unsatisfied. Instead of reaching for these unhealthy options, try to incorporate more whole foods into your diet for sustained energy and better health. Section 5. Smart swaps for a healthy plate. Choosing the right carbs. Choosing good carbs over bad carbs is one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do to improve your health. Carbohydrates are a crucial part of our diet, providing the energy we need to function throughout the day. However, not all carbs are created equal. While some can boost your health, others can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Here are some easy swaps that can make a big difference in your daily diet. Ditch the sugary cereal and opt for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and nuts. Sugary cereals are often loaded with refined sugars and lack the fiber and nutrients your body needs. Oatmeal, on the other hand, is a whole grain that provides a steady release of energy and keeps you full for longer. You'll get a nutritious and delicious breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized all morning. Plus, the added fruits and nuts bring in essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Swap white bread for whole wheat bread or wraps. White bread is made from refined grains, which have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber. Whole wheat bread, however, retains the bran and germ, making it a more nutritious option. You'll get more fiber and nutrients, and it will keep you satisfied for longer. This simple swap can help regulate your blood sugar levels and improve your digestive health. Choose brown rice or quinoa instead of white rice. White rice is another refined grain that lacks the fiber and nutrients found in its whole grain counterparts. Brown rice and quinoa are both excellent sources of fiber, protein, and essential minerals. They're more flavorful and nutritious, and they make a great base for stir-fries, salads, and grain bowls. These whole grains can help you feel fuller for longer, and provide a more balanced source of energy. Snack on fruits, vegetables, or a handful of nuts instead of processed snacks. Processed snacks are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and empty calories. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and nuts are packed with essential nutrients and fiber. They're packed with nutrients and will satisfy your cravings without the sugar crash. These natural snacks can help you maintain a healthy weight and provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. By making these simple swaps, you can improve your diet, boost your energy levels, and support your overall health. Start today and feel the difference in no time. Section 6. Listen to your body. Finding your carb balance. Finding the right balance of carbs for your body is key. Some people thrive on a higher carb diet while others feel better with fewer carbs. It's all about listening to your body and paying attention to how different foods make you feel. Start by making gradual changes to your diet, incorporating more good carbs, and cutting back on bad carbs. Experiment with different types of grains, fruits, and vegetables to see what works best for you. And don't be afraid to indulge in a treat now and then, just remember to enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Section 7. Carbs, your partner in health. Carbs don't have to be the enemy. By understanding the difference between good and bad carbs, you can make informed choices that fuel your body and support your overall health. Remember, it's not about eliminating carbs altogether, but about choosing the right ones and enjoying them as part of a balanced and delicious diet. Eat well, stay active, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.